How to log into Fidor Bank online banking account. Hi everyone, this is Susan from Create, Login and Delete, and without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, open any web browser on your phone. In my case, I open Safari here. Now on the search bar, search for Fidor Online Banking. Now after searching for the bank website, tap on the official website of the bank. Here we go. Now you'll come across the official page of Fidor Bank. Here everything is in German as Fidor Bank is a German banking service. So in case you are using iPhone, then you have the option of translation here. In case you are using PC, you'll find the option of translate to English just beside the login bar. So now, as you can see the login bar at the top, let's tap on it here. Now after tapping on it, you'll come across the main login page of Fidor Bank. Now in case if you see any pop-ups like this for cookies, then just tap on accept all. Now after following this step, you can enter your credentials here, enter your email address and your password accordingly. Now in case if you forgot your password, tap on forgot your password option just beside the password icon. So that's all for today, and don't forget to like and subscribe.